Okay, these two concepts right here are two that kids mix up all the time. So I want you to pay attention. We've got horizontal lines go this way. So it's horizon. Okay, it's just like looking out at the horizon. It's a line that way. So it says a line crossing the y-axis at point 0y. So here's my x, here's my y. Okay. So the example of y equals 3, here's what I want you to do. So go to the point 0, 3. Okay. So 0, 3 means I go 0 left and right, and then I go up 3. So 0 left and right, up 3. And my dot's right there. Then 4, 3. Okay, so I'm going to go 4 to the right, up 3. Then I'm going to do negative 3, 3. Remember, this one says make your y coordinate 3. So I'm going to go 3 to the left, and up 3. And then let's do negative 2, 3. Again, my y coordinate is 3, so negative 2, 3. And then one more, let's do positive 2, 3. Okay, so positive 2 to the right, up 3. So what do you see? You see that all of these coordinates line up. And if you draw a line through them, all of these lines, or excuse me, all these points line up. And they line up on the line of y equals 3. Remember, lines have arrows at each end, and they're drawn with a straight edge. Okay, so when it says y equals 3, that means all of my y coordinates are 3. And it crosses the y-axis. Okay, vertical lines. So this one goes this way. So we're going to do the same thing. This time we have x equals, let's do a negative 2. Okay, so let's do it the same points. So instead of 0, 3, so we've got x equals negative 2. So we're going to do the same thing we did up above, but this time, instead of the x coordinate being changed and the y coordinate staying the same, the x coordinate is going to stay the same, and we'll change the y coordinate. So we've got so this time, here's my x-axis. I'm going to go to the coordinate negative 2, so negative 2, 0. Put a dot. The next one, my negative 2 stays the same, and my y is 4. So I go negative 2, I start at the origin, negative 2 left, up 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to do negative 2, negative 3. So I go start at the origin, go left 2, and down 3. Then I've got negative 2, negative 2. Okay, so start at the origin, left 2, down 2. And the last one, negative 2, positive 2. So again, start at the origin, go left 2, up 2. So this time when you look at the dots, they're going up and down instead of left to right. So this is going to cross the x-axis at whatever number it is that it said to make all of the x coordinates. So in this case, it was -2. So here's my -2, and all of the x coordinates are -2. Okay, these get confusing. They go back and forth because